Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas, Day 5. Hi, my name is AON and this is my BagLove story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you what's inside my jelly bag, Miu Miu Style Sanrio My Melody Edition. Miu Miu is a prominent Italian luxury brand and the sister label of Prada, established by Miuccia Prada in 1992 and headquartered in Milan, Italy. The name Miu Miu is a family nickname of Miuccia Prada, embodying the brand's essence. Miu Miu was intentionally created as a youthful, playful, and unique alternative to the Prada line, offering a more accessible luxury experience. The Miu Miu Arcadie bag combines elegance with a casual style, blending vintage and contemporary elements. Its functional rectangular shape and the top handle make it simple yet classy, positioning it as a trending bag of the season. But now, I'm excited to share with you what's inside my jelly bag that is inspired version of the iconic Miu Miu Arcadie bag. I'm happy to share with you what's inside my bag. So this is a jelly bag that is just inspired by the design of that Arcadie bag from Miu Miu. The shape, I would like to try the shape if it will work with my lifestyle. On the outside, I have placed this My Melody charm and also this sparkly charm, heart charm. I think they match the outside of the bag. This is a light pink. It has a light colored gold hardware. So it also has this like a clip that holds this two top handle in place. The zipper is only a plastic zipper that is painted with gold. So let's open. Now let's start. The first thing I have is this My Melody pen from Miniso. This is just a ballpoint pen. And it's so cute. Then I have here, this is a Human Nature hand salve for dry hands. Then I have this very pretty and very cute dainty mirror and brush with all this sweet stuff. This is one of my favorite brush and mirror, compact brush and mirror. I have a lip balm. I have a My Melody mini wallet card holder. This is Kids in Mind My Melody hand sanitizer in grape flavor. And then I have another pink pen. Then I have here, this is my keys, My Melody key fob. Also some of my keys. This is my house key, the room key, very cute. This is a My Melody pouch. It can also be used to put coins or money, but I put my earbuds in this pouch. Then I have another very cute compact My Melody. This time a comb and another mirror. Compact comb and mirror. And this is another very cute compact comb and mirror from My Melody. I have this dainty pen. Stars and glitters, pretty. I also have another compact comb, very useful in any other bags that I use because this is just a small comb. And finally, the last thing inside my bag is this. This is just a mirror. So those are the things that I have inside my bag. This is how the inside looks like. Because this is a jelly bag, it is a plastic material. On the inside is like a wipeable type, matte type, while on the outside portion is like a glossy type that can easily be wiped clean. So this is the bag that is inspired by the Miu Miu Arcadie bag. I think they don't have the same size, but it has the same shape and design. So here are the things that I have inside my bag. This has been my day 5 in my 12 days of Christmas. I hope you all enjoyed. Please join me again tomorrow for my day 6.